Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser CX True Wireless. In this video I'll show you how to check software update and version. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected with Sennheiser CX app and go to app. Now, if there's any update available, you'll get notification from the homepage of the app. Tap install to install latest version. Place your earbuds in the charging case and close the lid. Now wait until the process is over. After a certain amount of time, the firmware update will be done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.